Good day guys, welcome to Off-Road for Life. So guys, we're back in the kitchen this midday, and today I'm going to be doing a broad beans curry, and we're going to make a bunny guys. So it's going to be a broad beans bunny chow. So what I've done, I've put in some beans, broad beans, into a pot, and I'll let that boil for a little while until it softens. So that went for about an hour or so on low heat, and that's ready guys. So in this pot I'm ready to start. Got a bit of oil. I'm going to start to add a few ingredients. So guys, I'm ready to add some ingredients into the pot. So guys, what I added was a few cinnamon sticks, 3 green ilachi, a star anise, 3 cloves, a little bit of fennel seeds, a bay leaf, and what I did add was 2 red chilies. So I'm going to let that cook for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add my onions. So guys, that's cooking away. I'm adding my onions. So guys, these are the powders I'm going to be using. So that's half a teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, just over half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 spoons of chili powder, and just over a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. So that's going to go in a few seconds. So guys, to the mix I put in half a tomato, and let that cook for a minute or 2. Okay guys, that's gone in. So guys, I'm not going to use all those beans, when I possibly use half of it. So my spices have gone in, and now I will add my potatoes and a little bit of water so that the potatoes can cook. So guys, I put my potatoes in, and I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes or so, maybe a little longer. And all I want is the potatoes to soften a bit, and then we'll add our beans and a little bit of salt. So guys, if you want your potatoes to cook a little quicker, I can just jab your potatoes with a knife. Just give it a few jabs around it. It should cook a bit quicker. There you go guys, we put in a bit of water. So we need a little bit of gravy for the bunny. So I put in some hot water. Always add hot water to anything you cook, so it doesn't lower the temperature. There you go, guys. These potatoes are cooking away, and when it softens a little, we'll add the beans. So it'll take virtually no time for the beans to cook, as they have been boiled. So guys, that's been cooking for about 7 to 10 minutes. I think I'm going to leave it a little longer, just before I add the beans. But it's looking good, guys. So guys, I've added the beans in. So I'm going to let this cook for possibly another 10 minutes. That should be done, guys. So guys, I whipped up a little salad, carrot, onion, a green chili, some coriander on top. So for my dressing, it was a little bit of salt, sugar, and a bit of vinegar, guys. So that's my salad for this afternoon. So guys, that shouldn't really take too long. This is almost done. There you go, guys. That's what it looks like. So there you go, guys. I added some coriander. So we needed a little extra gravy. So that's done, guys. Have a look at that. So there you go, guys. My take on a broad beans bunny.